And sometimes you're sensitive to energy and you can feel it as well. Tingling on the scalp, butterflies in the tummy, feeling really hot, really cold. Those are all things that you might experience, but I do channel from the highest vibration of love and light, so you don't have to worry. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna shuffle, and now we're gonna split it in 3 different piles, and we're gonna read the top card on each pile. Okay, so we have, here we go. We have the 6 of Pentacles. We have, sorry, the 4 of Pentacles. This is the 4 of Pentacles. We have the Hermit, and then we have the 9 of Cups. Okay, so what am I feeling with this? What am I feeling with this? You might instantly have just got to download yourself as well. And if that is the case, it just means that you're very in tune with my energy and the energy of everyone that is being read right now. Okay, so right away, we're wanting to know how to invest our money, okay? I'm seeing you like with your wallet and you're like, I want to buy this, I want to buy that. And you're trying to figure out how to invest your money, where to put it, okay? I don't think that we're wanting to save right now. I think that we're wanting to spend right now, okay? Now with the Hermit card, it's making me feel like we're extremely intuitive. And I feel like you have been getting signs from the universe because you're really intuitive. And so you have these gut feelings, and then the universe gives you a sign to confirm because you are intuitive, and it, you know, what you're receiving is true. So just know that, With the 9 of Cups, I feel like knowledge is at your foot. Knowledge is at your feet, like the worldly knowledge. But I don't think you're consuming the knowledge. I think that there is this knowledge, and I think it's intuitive wisdom. And you're not letting it in. You're trying to figure out how to let it in. Maybe you're very interested in spirituality right now. Maybe you're very interested in tarot readings, astrology, spiritual awakenings. But Spirit's saying it, you have it within yourself. You don't need outside sources to get this information from. It's all right there in front of you. But you just have to learn how to tap into it, okay? Because it's right there. So how do you tap into it? Well, there are many different ways. You can do automatic writing. You can get tarot cards and read. You can just sit in meditation and see what comes to you, what feels true. You know, like when someone tells you something and it just resonates and it feels true, that's how you can test information that you get. If you get information intuitively and you're not sure, like, is this my intuition or is this anxiety? Ask yourself, does this feel true? Does it feel like a yes? Okay? But I'm saying that you have the knowledge at your fingertips. So use it. Trust what you're getting. All right? Let me know if this helped you. And if you like these kind of readings, make sure to follow me. And if you like this deck that I used, you can get it right here in the TikTok shop.